Having trouble with your Xiaomi phone showing emergency calls only or no service, even though your SIM is inserted? It's annoying, but you're not the only one facing this. This problem often happens because of network issues, SIM errors, or software bugs. Here are some easy and quick fixes you can try, perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Solution 1. Reset SIM radio power. Open the dialer of your phone. Dial *#*# 4636 #*#*. This will take you to the testing menu. Now in here, select phone information 1 or phone information 2 depending on the SIM slot you're having trouble with. If your SIM is on the first slot, select phone information 1. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 5 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Once that's done, try checking your issue. If the issue persists, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 2. Reset SIM card settings. Open Settings, then tap on Mobile Networks. Select your SIM card. Now here, you will need to change a few settings. Select access point names, tap Reset. After that, select your SIM carrier from here. Once the SIM is selected, go back and tap on Preferred Network Type. Select Prefer LTE if you have set this to something else. If you have already set this to LTE, select Prefer 3G. Now go back again, tap on Select Carrier, and disable Automatically Select Network from here. Once it's disabled, wait for 5 seconds and then enable it. After that, go back once again and disable and re-enable Use VoLTE. Once that is done, give your phone a restart. Now check your issue again. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Go to Settings, tap on More Connectivity Options or Connection and Sharing, and tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Then tap Reset Settings and confirm. This will not erase your data, but it will reset all your network connections. So after this, hopefully your problem will get fixed. That's all for now. These are the easiest ways to fix emergency calls only and no service SIM problems on your Xiaomi phones. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more Xiaomi tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.